Arc lighters. I do like my arc lighters, I do. But, word of advice, if you want something to do a specific job, get it to do a specific job. For example, this arc lighter also has a really bright torch and does lots of funky things and flashing lights and, you know, all kinds of brain damaging stuff. And it works great, but it only retains the charge for about 2 days. After 2 days, it's pretty much useless. You've got to recharge it. So, which is fine if you've got a power source to recharge it. However, this one, because all it does is, you know, set fire to things, it still has a full charge on the bars. And I've not charged it in 3 weeks. So this one keeps its charge because it only does one thing. This one will dissipate a lot faster because it's hooked up to several different light circuits. So basically, if you want a lighter, buy a lighter. If you want something that's going to do lots and lots of things, it's going to drain more quickly. So yeah. Nice to have something you can recharge. But if you've got a recharger with you, it's different. But if you're out in the wilderness, hiking around, you want something that's actually going to last. It's actually less hassle to have a lighter and a separate torch. Another thing I've not charged up in about 6 months, and it still has a charge, because it only does one thing, it's a torch. So those two is better to carry than that one. There's not much difference in weight, but that one will dissipate its charge within 2 days of not being used. These two will keep their charge for months.